Welcome back to Motor Master, where we dive deep into the most powerful machines ever built. Today, we're looking at a true legend of armored warfare, the M60 Patton. A tank that held the line for decades, proving itself on battlefields around the world, standing as a symbol of American engineering and military might. Born out of the Cold War arms race, the M60 was America's answer to the rising Soviet threat. The US needed a tank that could take on the latest Soviet designs, particularly the T-55 and later the T-62. The result was a steel beast armed with a 105mm M68 gun, capable of punching through enemy armor with deadly precision. This wasn't just an upgrade from the M48 Patton, it was a whole new machine, built to dominate modern warfare. Powering this war machine was a Continental AVDS 17902 V12 diesel engine, cranking out 750 horsepower. That meant the M60 could hit speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, fast enough to outmaneuver older tank designs while keeping enough muscle to plow through rough terrain. And let's talk about armor. This tank was built like a fortress. With thick, sloped plating, it could withstand heavy fire while keeping the crew safe inside. But the real magic of the M60 was in its adaptability. Over the years, the tank evolved into several variants, each improving on the last. The M60A1 came with better turret protection, giving it a stronger defense against enemy rounds. Then came the M60A2, an ambitious attempt to add a 152mm gun launcher system, capable of firing both standard shells and guided missiles. While the A2 didn't see much success, it paved the way for further advancements. The M60A3 was the peak of the design. With high-tech fire control systems, thermal imaging for night combat, and improved targeting accuracy, it gave tank crews the edge in any battle scenario. Even as newer tanks like the M1 Abrams entered service, the M60 continued to hold its own, proving its worth in conflicts across the globe. Speaking of battle history, the M60 saw some intense action. During the Yom Kippur War in 1973, Israeli forces used these tanks against Soviet-made Syrian and Egyptian armor. The fighting was brutal, but the M60 proved its resilience. Then, in the Gulf War of 1991, it made one last stand with US forces, serving alongside the M1 Abrams in the push against Iraqi defenses. Even as technology advanced, the M60 remained in service with multiple countries, a testament to its enduring power. Even today, the M60 hasn't been completely retired. Many nations still use upgraded versions, outfitted with modern armor and weapon systems to keep them battle-ready. It's a tank that refuses to be forgotten, a machine that carved its place in military history through sheer firepower, adaptability, and reliability. That's it for today on Motor Master. If you love deep dives into legendary war machines, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments which tank you want us to cover next. Until next time, keep your engines running and your turrets locked. This is Motor Master, signing off.